What up, what up? Yo, I just finished mowing Miss B's yard. I decided not to film the mowing because I was running a little short on daylight, so I just wanted to get the mowing done. But I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. It's looking pretty nice. It's greener than it was last time. She does have this weird spiraling thing over here. I don't know if that's just because of my spreader was dropping more concentrated in the middle of the spreader rather than actually broadcasting it out like it's supposed to. That could be a thing, but man, it's doing way better. I'm excited to see what it's going to look like in the spring once we really start pushing fertilizers and whatnot. Dude, it's looking really good. I'm honestly proud of this, the progress that it's making. The pre-emergent's doing a phenomenal job. If you've been following along and you've seen the previous videos of Miss B's yard, you know that it was pretty much all weeds and almost no grass whenever it first started, which is why I'm super excited about it right now. It's doing a great job at keeping down the grassy weeds and doing a great job at keeping down the broadleaf weeds. There are some broadleaf weeds that are sprouting up, but those were probably already germinated before I put down the pre-emergent. But like, here's the backyard. She's getting some good grass growth on this backside. It's a little bare in the middle, but you can see where all this grass is coming in. If you remember from the previous videos, this was all just dead. There wasn't much there. I put down the same pre-emergent that I put down in my house, that Bio Advanced, and it's doing great. It's doing really great. We'll see how the rest of it goes. But I just wanted to give you all an update on Miss B's yard. So God, I'm really excited about this progress. I'm excited to see how it responds to fall and winter. And then yeah, good work. So thanks guys for tuning in, taking a watch, and appreciating the growth and update as well. Like, subscribe, comment down below what other type of content you would like to see. If you want to see more mowing, less talking, I know I talk a lot, let me know. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.